My pal Cam got his JDM Legacy rear-ended and totaled, so in this video we just beat the crap out of it.
Alright, so Cam wanted to keep his good wheels here. So we did a Kijiji deal, set of 4 of these, $100 from this gentleman.
Gonna send it.
And now he's gonna hop in Cam's car and give her a rip, see what happens. It's hilarious. Pretty good driver so far, we'd say.
He's actually really, I am impressed. Yeah, I was like, here, yeah, hop in it, drive it.
It's hilarious. He was so close. Give her the juice! It's fairly deep in here. Look at how deep that is. Look at this. Your splitter's taking a beating there.
I don't know, I think it's this deep the whole way.
Just plow through it. But he was humping and a jumping. Oh, splitter's off.
Just rip it off.
Where the rest of the parts are. Can you? Alright, so Cam let me take the Subaru for a drive. Of course I got stuck in a foot of snow over here. So this nice gentleman pulled over and he's got a snowblower in his truck. He's snowblowing us a path.
Sounded good and strong.
That is so fun.
Oh, we got a flat tire. Oh, left lane.
Okay, how strong is the JDM Legacy GT tranny? Let's find out. Was it? Yeah, I thought you shifted there. Damn. Well, as Cam said, we think it was just a glitch in the transmission. And now we're good to go. I think you fixed it. You just had to rip her a little bit.
I don't know, do we keep hooning or do we just go?